Okay, I'm at Lowe's right now, and this is the lighting section, as you can see. Okay, I'm at a little section where you can actually find anything for light fixtures, for light fans. If you need any adapters here, like to pull the string pullers to turn on the fan, the different speeds and all that. But right next to it, we actually have every part you need to turn anything into a lamp. Okay, so we got this piece here that you can attach to any kind of base, and then just put the lighting hood on top, or whatever it is that you call it. Then you got the electrical wire. Let's see what else. What else? I actually, okay, and you got this for your light bulb, okay, and which actually would go somewhere around here like this, okay. Then you run your electrical wire into the inside. Here's actually a complete set with everything you need: the electrical wire and the light bulb connector. And that's the kit that I got, because I'll be turning a compressor into a lighting lamp. So you may want to look up that later. I'll be going through it on a video.